So this is our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, and our players are sharing their pocket songs with us, songs that are memorized. And this is our Ellen B. And Ellen, tell us again what song you're going to do.
I'm going to do This Land Is Your Land, written by Woody Guthrie, and it's a good old campfire song that everybody sings, and we're doing it in the key of G, and almost everybody I know knows the chorus to this song. So 2 measures of G, and then we go into a C. Those chords are G, C, D7, okay? This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. Oops, this land was made for you and me. There we go. And then there's a lot of verses that I need the music for.
Listen, I'm going to ask you a favor. Can you do it again? And then can you show us that you went to another C form as an embellishment? What did you do there?
I went up to the 7th fret and in a G position, played a G chord, and that's a C when you're in the 7th fret. So that way you don't have just one finger, and you could do sliding back on that one too. So there we go. Okay. 2 measures of G. This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. I didn't slide up there this time, but anyway, there you go.
All right. Well, okay. So let's do it one more time, and let's do that slide because I just love it. Okay, deal? Okay.
2 measures of G. A 1, 2, 3, 4. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
Woohoo! Thank you, Ellen.